Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 Feline. This is a superb car that's packed full of features. It includes Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions. You get this panoramic glass roof, full leather interior with heated front seats, sat nav, rear parking sensors, cruise control. This car's only £20 to tax. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.